All right, so Germain is going to start today with Dr. Davis' procedure. So tell me, what brought you into the office? Couldn't walk.
And all the pain.
All the pain in your knees?
Yeah.
What is robbing you out of your life? What can you do because of your knee pain? What is stopping you from doing?
Cooking, cleaning, shopping, driving.
Everything. Wow. So let's say 1 to 10. What is the most pain you have so far on your knees? From 1 to 10.
I didn't have under 10.
10. Wow. And both knees, or mostly
Just one.
Just one knee.
Left
Okay.
knee.
All right. So today we're gonna have you do a few movements, see how it affects you. Okay. So the first one, we're gonna have you to stand up. Great. Any pain there coming up?
Just a little bit in the pulling of the knee.
On the left knee?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So now you're going to separate your legs, go a little bit wider, step one step forward. Okay, and you're going to step one, another step better. Beautiful. Now you're going to try to squat. So you're going to go as slow as you can down. There you go. And then come up. Any pain there?
Not bad.
Not bad? All right. Now next one. That's the hardest one. We're going to try to go down the stairs. If you need to hold on, you can hold on and take your time.
I've got to do it 2 feet at a time.
Okay, so 2 feet at a time.
Yeah.
All right, let's have you go upstairs. How was that? How was that? Any pain going up? Where?
Both ways. Right in the front of the knee and in the back.
In front of the knee and the back. Both? Or
Yeah.
just on the left side?
Left side.
Okay. Out of all the movements that you did, which one was the worst one? Which one caused you the most pain? Squatting down? Okay. All right, so you ready to start?
Ready.
Let's do it. Got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, you got it. 5, 6, and 7. Good.
Start pulling. 1, 2, 3. Keep pulling, keep pulling. 4. You got it. 5. All the way back. 6. And 7.
Hi, this is Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with Germain. Did I pronounce it right?
Yes.
Good. Germain. And she was kind enough to come on. This is her third visit. So she came in for her examination consult. The next visit, she came in and I did a doctor's report. I told her what was wrong, what we could do to help her, how long it was going to take, all that stuff. And she got her non-surgical operation on her left knee, the last visit. Now, when Germain came in, she was in a lot of pain, wasn't walking too well, having trouble sleeping. So I wanted her to just, you know, you're not perfect right now, but if you could just tell me your experience from when you came in and we did the procedure on the knee. It took about probably half an hour.
Yeah.
How you're doing now, and what's your outlook?
My outlook is, now I have hope.
Good, good.
Before I didn't have much hope because it hurt so bad all the time.
When did it hurt? Like when did it bother you the most, your knee?
When did it bother me?
Yeah, certain movements or just laying
all
down?
the time.
All the time, okay.
My movements.
Yeah, that's not okay.
You can't even lay still without having it throbbing at you. That was bad.
Right.
So I started taking pain pills.
Right.
Which I took 2 of those with 2 extra strength Tylenols every day.
Right.
And still I wasn't taking care of all of it.
Yeah, that's not okay.
No, it isn't. Now, with just the one treatment last week and this week.
Right. We did it Thursday or Friday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Last Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay. So today is Monday.
Yeah, Wednesday.
And how were the days after that? How was the weekend?
The pain subsided a lot.
Good.
I could move the knee much better.
Excellent.
I could go up and down them stairs like
There
you're
you go.
supposed to.
Right.
I told that to my son. He was so happy because they have a
Oh.
lot of stairs up there in Maine.
Right, that's right. That's our goal, to get
Yeah,
you to go up to Maine. So we're gonna do that for you.
So other than that,
Yeah.
it's the pain part. I was really
Right.
upset with pain. I never thought I would get rid of it the way it was going. So I was going more into drugs and I was going the other way.
Yeah, and
I
that
don't want that.
depresses you, and yeah, you don't want to do anything.
Well, not just that, I can't drive.
Right. Yeah, you get kind of foggy. Yeah.
Yeah. So. And
Well, that's
the whole thing,
fantastic.
yeah. But I'm doing very well.
So you're looking forward to going up to
Maine.
Did you guys set a date yet?
No, but it's going to be after July.
Okay.
August, probably August.
So we have plenty of time to get you in playing shape.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Thank you.